Hi everybody, this is Dr. Dan, and for BME 303L you're going to have to install this ToupView stereo microscope control software. And so we have cameras in the stereo microscope so we can take pictures in the microscope, and this ToupView program is what we can use to capture the pictures. So we're going to click on this and go to the download site for ToupView. And so there's a couple different files here. We're going to use this ToupView, not the ToupLite package, this ToupView package for Windows. If you have a Mac, you're going to go over to Mac OS and download this instead. Now, I don't have a Mac, especially I don't have a modern Mac, so I'm not sure how it would necessarily work. You may have to use your parallels on your Mac and just install a Windows version if this Mac version doesn't work, but I'm not sure how that will work out. So I'm going to focus on the Windows package. So what we're going to do is we're just going to download it. And it will download a executable file. These instructions are basically a huge instruction manual for the camera and for the software. So if you wanted to read through all that, you can knock yourself out. But most of the stuff you can figure out pretty obviously from just using the software. So my download's done here. So I'm going to go ahead and run. Okay, and we're basically going to click through the install to install it to the ToupView location. Okay, and we can go ahead and let it run after we install it to make sure it works. So this is what the software window will look like, and so if you downloaded it and you get this, it's working pretty well. Now we don't have the camera plugged in on this computer, so it says no camera, but once I plug it in, I should be able to drag it from this drop-down list. But I'm going to make another video on making sure you can see the camera. So I'll do that in the next video. But for now, if you did this before lab, you've done everything you need to do.